Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to draw line and arrow shape in your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor, select File option, and here you will find this Open option. Now you can open from computer and browse file. I have already opened this PDF file. Now select this top menu option, Review, and this is shape. Click on this shape down arrow and see this arrow. Click here. Now draw your arrow. Now click on this select text and graphics. Click on this arrow and this properties option now activated. And this is arrow thickness. This arrow border color. And this arrow starting point. You can open it now, and this end point you can add bar, square, and end also you can change. See this. In this way you can customize your arrow. Now you can select view option. This shapes and its line also. I'll do a line. Now select text and graphics and click on this line and select what is similar. You can change line color, thickness. If you want, you can add open arrow and end. I'll add part. In this way, you can customize your line like as arrow. And here you can change opacities. This dash style and so on. Yeah. And finally select this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow.